If all thermostat wires check out and the control board is not the issue, the next steps focus on less obvious electrical and system-level faults that interrupt signals between the thermostat and the equipment. Start by inspecting the relay board if your system has one separate from the main control board. Relays can stick or have welded contacts that appear fine visually but fail under load, so actuate each relay manually while monitoring continuity with a multimeter set to the appropriate range. Trace every wiring harness from the control board to the furnace, air handler, heat pump, and outdoor unit, looking for chafed insulation, loose terminals, or intermittent breaks that only show under vibration. Gently tug each connector and wiggle wires while watching your meter for changes. Check for ground faults by measuring resistance between key control circuit grounds and chassis ground, and by looking for stray voltages with the system powered and the thermostat calling. A few volts, where you expect none, indicates a leakage path. Inspect common and shared circuits like the equipment common or transformer secondary, because a partially shorted common can allow sensing circuits to behave erratically without a full-blown short. Use the manufacturer's service manual to follow recommended diagnostic sequences for ancillary modules such as condensate overflow switches, float switches, and safety interlocks that may open a control circuit without tripping obvious alarms. If diagnostics still fail, document your findings with photos and exact meter readings, then consult manufacturer technical support for firmware quirks or known failure modes that are not in the public manual. The three most common issues when thermostat wiring and the main board appear fine are intermittent connector faults, sticky or failed relays, and hidden safety devices that open control circuits. For intermittent connectors, the fix is to replace or reterminate the connector and use dielectric grease or heat shrink to protect against moisture and corrosion. For relays that stick or have degraded contacts, replace the relay with the exact coil voltage and contact rating and verify operation under load rather than relying on visual inspection alone. For hidden safety devices like overflow switches, door interlocks, or low-pressure cutouts, track down every safety device in the control circuit, bypass temporarily only for testing with a known safe procedure, and then replace the faulty safety device rather than leaving a bypass in place. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to give contractors a place to find quality job leads related to these troubleshooting tasks. We also host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and professionals exchange step-by-step tips, share photos and meter readings, and clarify manufacturer troubleshooting sequences.